Hello, today we're with Alan Lunghusen, and Alan was telling me today about how he's been using partner advisory services to help him with his software development. Alan, tell us what your experience has been.
Well, we were faced with a request from a client to interface our Great Pay package, our payroll package, into SharePoint. We'd already developed a web-based interface, but this particular client wanted a SharePoint interface, and so we had a programmer available who knew nothing about SharePoint, and we thought which was the best way to actually approach this. So we had an hour or two's discussion with a SharePoint guru to find out the direction to go in, and also we bought the books and things like that. So we started developing. It took quite a while to get our head around the functionality and the requirements regarding the development, but after a couple of months we were able to start cutting some code. And as with these sorts of projects, now and again you do run into a brick wall, and we were able to contact the technical advisory service, and they pointed us into several directions. One of them was links to video training, other were documentation, etc., available on the web, and when we run into some problems, we'd often be able to contact them. They'd spend hours with us sometimes. They even cut some code for us when we're having trouble getting the workflow part of it working. But after 3 months, we basically started with nothing, and we've ended up now with a full SharePoint interface into the Great Pay package, mainly used for employee contact with the pay office, application for leaves, printing or reprinting pay slips, notification of change of addresses and various functions like that, all interfaced into SharePoint with web parts, and also interfaced into Active Directory for their login and security. So it's all working well.
That's great. So in summary, you would recommend the advisory services?
Yeah, it was excellent. Naturally, you send off an email and you've got to wait for a response, and sometimes we're able to telephone them as well. But they were really very helpful, and it got us well into the project a lot faster than we would have normally.
That's fantastic. Thanks so much, Alan, and we at Microsoft would like to encourage all of you to use your partner advisory hours, which are provided as part of your membership in the Microsoft Partner Program, and moving forward, the Microsoft Partner Network. Thanks very much.